Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
Global markets are on shaky ground as multi-decade highs in inflation, supply chain shortages and geopolitical tensions weigh on the outlook for growth around the world. Stock on Wall Street steadied a day after a rush of selling pushed the S&P 500 into a bear market. Coinbase announced it will lay off 18% of its workforce in another sign of a worsening crypto downturn that shaved off hundreds of millions of the total cryptocurrency market value. UK shares steadied, with some positive impetus from financial stocks and several strong earnings updates. A day after economic slowdown concerns dragged the main British indexes to their fifth straight session of losses. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dropped 0.1% in the last session, after rising as much as 3.6% during the session. According to the RSI, we are in an oversold market. The gold-dollar pair dropped 0.5% in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. Facebook stock fell 1.3% in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an oversold market. The last session saw the Aussie drop 0.9% against the dollar. The MACD is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The US retail sales will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US Fed interest rate decision at 1800 hours GMT. The Eurozone's industrial production at 0900 GMT. The Eurozone's trade balance will be released at 0900 hours GMT. Japan's exports at 2350 GMT. Japan's imports at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.